Happy, beautiful, rainy Sabbath day. Once again this week, we have experienced a myriad of emotions. I personally have experienced a myriad of emotions. And even venturing on to social media is challenging. I am drawn to everyone's opinion. I see value from so many different directions. Some things I don't agree with. Some things I can't watch or listen to. And that's me. What I have come to recognize, though, is that people I love have different opinions. People I love are striving to make changes in however they see is best. People I love are saying things that are hard for me to hear. People I love are saying things that I don't know how to make them part of my, I don't know always that I want to make them part of how I see the world. But the bottom line is, in all of those things, these are people that I love. My friends, my family, people I don't even know, but I love them because we know that we're brothers and sisters. Bottom line, we're brothers and sisters. And it's my job to love my brothers and sisters. That doesn't mean, that's a confusing thing to me, because sometimes I feel like to love you, I must accept everything you say without question. And if I don't, that must mean I don't love you. And I honestly think, this is my opinion only, that to love someone is to love them in spite of things we don't necessarily see eye to eye on. To love them through hard things. To support who they are. To support their right to have opinions and feelings and struggles and learnings. And still to just love them. And I think that's how it goes forward. So here's my plan this week. That when I scroll through my Facebook page or pick up that newspaper or hear that conversation, that the first thing and the only thing is, I love you where you're at. I love your journey and your path. And I love you enough to let you learn what you need to learn. Go where you need to go. And be okay with just love. Be okay with just love. Happy Sabbath. I love you.